Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Farhana Yusabarat and my topic is all about the Stiglitz controversy. Mr. Joseph Stiglitz is not a stranger to controversy. So si Stiglitz ay hindi na siya baguhan sa kontrobersiya. His increasingly outspoken attack on the IMF while chief of economists at the World Bank contribution to his departure from it is January 2000. Si Stiglitz ay prangko kung magsalita. Matapang na hinarap ni Stiglitz ang International Monetary Fund. Joseph Stiglitz is especially well known as a critic of reigning international economic policies and the institution that enforce them, the International Monetary Fund, World Bank, and the United States Treasury Department. So, inatake ni Stiglitz ang United States Treasury Department dahil sa kanilang maling pamamahala. Galit na galit ang USTD sa pag-atake ni Stiglitz. In 1993, Stiglitz joined the Clinton administration as member of the Council of Economics. In 1997, took the post of Senior Vice President and Chief Economist at the World Bank. Sa kabila ng pagiging kilala ni Stiglitz sa academic career, noong 1993, si Stiglitz ay sumali sa Clinton administration at naging miyembro siya ng Council of Economics. Katagalan, siya ay naging chairman of councils. Joseph Stiglitz, a prominent Nobel laureate economist, has been vocal about his criticism of neoliberalism, which is evident in the current controversies surrounding his view. Stiglitz argues that neoliberalism and economic ideology that emphasize free market, capitalist, and limited government intervention is flawed and damaging. He believes that this economic orthodoxy is not only false but it also a self-destruction. Si Stiglitz ay naniniwala ay kilala bilang isang Nobel laureate economist at nagpahayag tungkol sa kanyang mga kritisismo sa neoliberalism na makikita sa kasalukuyang mga kontrobersya na kapalibot sa kanyang mga pananaw. Pinangatuwiran ni Stiglitz na ang neoliberalism ang ideolohiyang pang-ekonomiya na nagbibigay diin sa kapitalismo ng malayang pamilihan at limitadong interbensyon sa gobyerno ay may depekto at nakakapinsala. Naniniwala siya na ang pang-ekonomiyang orthodoxy na ito ay hindi lamang mali kundi nakakasira din sa sarili. The controversy surrounding Stiglitz's views stems from the critique of neoliberalism and his call for a revaluation of economic policies that prioritize social welfare over unrestricted market forces. This has sparked debate about the futures of economic governance and the balance between economic freedom and social well-being. Ang kontrobersiya na pumapalibot sa pananaw ni Stiglitz ay nagmumula sa kanyang pagpuna sa neoliberalismo at sa kanyang panawagan para sa muling pagsusuri ng mga patakaran pang-ekonomiya na inuuna ang kapakanang panlipunan kaysa sa hindi pinanghihigpitang persa ng pamilihan. Nagdulot ito ng mga debate tungkol sa hinaharap ng pamamahala sa ekonomiya at ang balanse sa pagitan ng kalayaan at ekonomiya at kagalingang panlipunan. So, that's all. Thank you.